Namaste. Myself, Devian Dr. Priya Pillai, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Jaipur. Today I am going to deal with on the topic Virechana Vidhi, Purva Karma. Purva Karma, it includes Sambhara Sangraha, that is collection of all the necessary equipments, drugs, diet, etc. are used for the therapy. Second one, Adura Pariksha, the detailed examination of the dosha, dusha, Adura Bala, Kala, Desha, Agni, Koshta, etc. to be carried out to know the fitness of individual to Shodhana. Next is Adura Siddhara. Prior to Virechana Karma, Vamana is necessary. Otherwise, the Kapha may cause Avarana over Grahani, resulting in Mandagni, Gaurava, Aruji. Niruha Basti should be administered prior to the Virechana in case of Vadolbani Sade. Nirama Dehasya hi Veshajani Tulyani Amrutopagani. The medicine which will act in the body like nectar when there is Niramavastha. Hence, with Divana and Padana, such state can be achieved. The outcome of the medicine which has administered in Nama state is compared to the extraction of the juice from the unripe fruit, which is impossible to get. Next is Padana Divana. In the patients with Agnimandia, administration of Padana Divana drugs is useful for Amapadana and also to increase the Agni. Amapadana should be done till the appearance of Nirama Lakshana. Snehapana, the one which produces Snigdhata in the body is known as Snehana. According to the Dalhana, doshas which are lodged in the shakhas are made to move towards the koshta by means of Snehana and Svedana, emphasizing the role of Snehana as a preparatory procedure. Charaka mentions, as in a vessel smeared with oil, water slips down without effort. Similarly, kapha and other doshas slip out easily in the body which has undergone Snehana therapy. Without proper Snehana and Svedana, if one performs Samshodhana, then body will be destroyed just like a dried stick. The dose of Snehana depends upon capacity of the Agni to digest it. Normally, three matras are mentioned. They are Hrsva, Madhyama and Uttama matra. Arunadatta explains Hyasiyasi matra, which is said to be a test dose and can be given in the dose of 2 tola. The Snehapana, which is administered to the purpose of Shodhana, should be at the time when in the diet taken on the previous night should be digested completely and there should be Annanabilesha. And this is the time exactly immediately after sunrise in the morning around 6 to 7 a.m. And if this time is passed, then the administered Sneha will be unable to perform provocation of the doshas and get digested. After the signs and symptoms of some mixed the lakshanas are obtained prior to the Virejana, that is 3 to 7 days, 3 day gap of 3 days of gap is given as per reference, that is Vistramakala. Sneha Praskandhanam Jandu Triratro Vived. Triratro Vived. Abhyanga and Svedana should be carried out during the gap of 3 days as well as on the day of Virejana. After proper Snehana, Sarvanga Abhyanga and Svedana are done daily for 3 days of Visramakala and on the day of Virejana. Svedana, after some mixed the features are obtained. Bahyasnehana and Svedana should be given for next 4 days. The Svedana is responsible for vilena of doshas. Svedana dilates the channel and increases fluidity by which Srodhvaroda diminishes. According to Vagbhata, by the action of Snehana and Svedana, the morbid doshas are liquefied and dissolved in Sneha and are brought to Koshta. Charaka mentions that by Vriddhi, Vishyandana, Paga, Shodhomukha Vishodhana and Vada Nirgrahana, the morbid doshas may be brought back from Shakha to Koshta. Here Snehana and Svedana act in every aspect of above process. Next is diet. During Visramakala, person should be advised to follow diet comprising of Snigdha, Ushna, Breva, Mamsarasa, Yusha, Amlarasa Ahara is preferable during Visrama Dina. But Kapha Vardhaka Ahara is to be strictly avoided. This diet is specially targeted at the maintenance of Agni Jipti. Manasopachara. Charaka, while explaining the administration of Virejana Karma in detail, stresses upon to follow some of the rituals which are specially targeted at boosting person's psyche. The person should be asked to give offering to the god Brahmana and elderly people. Whole procedure of Virajana is to be explained to boost confidence of the individual. Matra Vinishya, the matra of Virajana Drivya should be in such a quantity that the desired effect of Shodhana may be achieved and may be able to avoid Adhiyoga. This should be decided according to the dosha, Adurabala, Beshaja, Kala, Desha, Agni, Koshta, Sharira, Ahara, Satmya, Sattva, Prakriti, Vaya, Sama, Avastha and Vikara. In this regard, there is a specific mentioning of different dose schedule. Doses of Virajana Drivya according to Sharangadhara, Purkwada, for Hinamatra, half pala, Madhyamatra, 1 pala, Uttamamatra, 2 pala, and Churna, Kalka, etc. Hinamatra is 1 tola, Madhyamatra 2 tola, and Uttamamatra is 4 tola. Matra according to Koshta, for Mrutu Koshta, according to Sustruda, it is Mrutu Matra. According to Vangasena, 1 tola. For Madhyama Koshta, according to Sustruda, Madhyama Matra, and Vangasena told 2 tola. According to Krura Koshta, Sustruda told Tikshna Matra and Vangasena told it as 3 tola. One should consider the following points just before the administration of Virajana Aushadhi. Whether the Adura is Durbala or not, previously Shodhana is carried out or not, state of Alpadosha Prakriti, if constitution is Ruksha, Aparijnara Koshta. Assignment, explain Purva Karma of Vamana. Explain Purva Karma of Virajana here. The mistake is there. And Virajana is not advised in Jwara, Arsha, Adisnigdha and all. It is Oxford Trivandrum Examination 1995. I hope you all understand the topic. If you are having any queries, please do mention on the comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.